Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix guys screen touch double tap to activate problem on Realme phone device. Friends, you are not operating your Realme phone device. Friends, as you can see, I am not operating as my Realme phone device. Guys, my screen show this interface. So how can I fix this problem? So first of all guys we will lock screen, and guys now you want to unlock your phone. So how to unlock? First of all, let's see. So guys, two finger use, then times you can unlock your phone. One finger guys you cannot unlock your phone. So use your two finger and then you can unlock your phone. So guys, we call it talkback problem. And how to fix talkback problem and how to turn off talkback on Realme phone device. Today friends we will talk about. So first of all guys, use your again two finger and then scroll it. Friends, don't use one finger. Friends, you can see we cannot scroll our screen. So scroll it. Friends, click on phone setting and guys double tap on phone setting guys. Continue. Then once you can on phone setting. Friends, click on Wi-Fi setting and press now. Again use your two finger guys. Don't use one finger. You cannot scroll your Realme phone screen. So guys, we will scroll it with two finger. Any two finger guys you can use. Press click on one tap on additional setting and press again continue to tap on additional setting guys. Double tap here. Press click on accessibility setting and press double tap again. Press click on talkback setting and double tap here. Press double tap again. Stop button guys one tap and guys continue to tap. Guys, your problem will solve. The double tap activate problem will solve, and friends we can use our phone without any talkback problem. And guys, one more method guys you can solve your talkback problem. First of all guys, again we will on talkback. So guys, we will on talkback setting. After guys talkback guys, how to solve talkback problem. Friends, now you can solve this problem with shortcut setting guys. So friends, direct click on phone setting and guys double tap here. Friends, click on search option and double tap here. Then search here talk back. LKBACK. Friends, click on one tap on talkback setting guys. Double tap here. Friends, click on one tap talkback. Double tap here. Stop button and double tap. Guys, your problem is solved. Friends, now you can use your phone without any talkback problem. So like that friends, we can fix talkback problem on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now do you have any problem on your device? Friends, you can ask me in comment section. Friends, I will check. Friends, I will help you. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.